Hey, Tom from Com Cruising coming at you here today. And today we're going to be changing the batteries in my FOBO 2 bike tire monitoring system. As you can see, let's show you here. The batteries are a little low. So what we're going to do, we're going to pop out the batteries and change them. And then show you how it all resync itself and come back together. Alright, let's go over and start taking some of these things out. As you can see, the monitor's right here. Alright, as soon as I unscrew it, we're probably going to be getting a bunch of alarms, and then we'll silence them and then change out the battery. So you just screw it off, and then there's the alarms. Alright, and there's the battery. So we're just gonna slide the battery out. Come over here, grab one of the new ones, slide it back in, and then screw it all back together. And then screw it back into the tire. And now just, there it is. Okay, so now it's back there. Battery's in the green, and we're going to go around and do this on the other two, and then come back and show you the results. Alright, stand by. The back tire here, this one is a little tight to get to, but you just have to work it nice and easy because you got the belt right there. It just so happens that this one came out in that spot, and there goes that alarm. And then we slide that battery out, slide the new battery in, screw them all back together, and then get us screwed back on. Silence this alarm. We'll hold. Come on. There it is. Hold for 15 minutes. So we shouldn't get an alarm again for this back tire. There it is. Now it's going back in. Alright. Now, there you have it. All three batteries have been changed. They found themselves back again onto the app. And there you have it. Okay guys, that's another quick and easy one there to change your batteries on this FOBO Bike 2. Alright, I've had these for about 2 years, so that's not bad for the batteries, I think. So, till next time guys, keep riding.